Hey everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off hi5 notification. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. In the search bar, type in apps and perform your search. Now tap on it. Then select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in hi5 and perform your search. Tap on it. Now scroll down until you find Notifications option. Tap on it. And then disable Show Notifications option. And this is how you can turn off hi5 notification. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.